So, first repair, let's sort of starter assembly out, okay? This one obviously isn't broken, but we can pretend it is and just go through the steps that we do to repair a starter. It's easy, okay? So first of all, let's get the starter assembly off. Where are we? Here we go. Remember, when you're taking stuff off, taking stuff apart, if you can start clean environment, no other screws laying about on the bench or wherever it is you choose to carry the repair out, because you don't want to confuse anything. Okay, now with this starter assembly, there are two types of fixings holding it on. This type from that side, that's one like that. You can see it's a coarse thread, goes into plastic. These two are a fine metric thread, M4, that go into the metal. So don't confuse them, they are very different, okay? Right, starter assembly. There we go. Okay, don't be afraid of it. Look how it works. Sends that's called a pull, that little black bit, P-A-W-L. Strange name, but it's called a pull. Okay, so we're gonna snap this or cut it, and then we are gonna sort it out. So, cut this, so it, you know, if you was on site and this had been broken already, you know, this wouldn't be happening, or if it was frayed, you'd be cutting it. So hold on to your rope rotor, cut your starter cord, and then just let go of it until it's under no tension, okay? It's the easiest way to describe it, it's not under any tension. And then simple, what we need to do now, grab a little screwdriver. Wasn't very prepared, was I? So you want to ease this, what I call an R-clip, away. Look at that, easy. Take the pull away. There's a little washer there. Okay, so we've got our screws. And then, because this isn't under any tension, just lift it off carefully. And there's your spring. Nothing's going to jump out and kill you. Okay. And there's our starter cord, our rope rotor. Okay. And our starter handle. So now we'll put it back together. Very easily done. And it's something that if you can do this out on site, then it's going to save you money, okay? And save you downtime. You're not going to have to leave site, go to a shop, plead with a guy to fix it while you wait. You can do it yourself, no dramas, okay? And it's a good job to be able to do yourself. You can do it to one starter, you'll be able to do it to all starters. It's the same principle, slightly different here and there, but the same principle. Okay, so we put our new cord in there, nice little neat knot, and we're gonna, you see, the rope has to go out there, okay? So when you're winding the rope up, it's gonna face the correct exit point, if you like. If you look at a rope rotor itself, you can see in the moulding, it will show you, guide you, which way the rope goes. So, rope out. If you pull it, watch that. See, just drop into position. So now, look, it's in position. So the next thing we do is put our little washer on, just reverse exactly what we just did. Put our pull. I'd like to put it back in the same place it came out of, rather than that one, because it's sort of worn in now. It's bedded in, if you like. Then this can be a little bit fiddly. I get my fingernails on it and just lever that over. And now we can see that pull's pinging out again, doing exactly what it should do. Easy. So now we're going to put the starter handle on. A nice little figure of 8 knot. This starter cord is a little bit short now because I cut a bit off. I can sort that out. 0.8 of a metre is ideal. So now we're like that, okay? And I see loads of chainsaws coming to the workshop like that. So all we do now, we just pull it a little bit like that. Use our thumb to hold on to it. Get the starter cord out. And the same way we've wrapped the starter cord, we just wind that spring up a little bit, okay? Then hold on to that with your thumb, bingo. The way I like to test it is if it should pull itself back up. And there we go, one starter repair. Practice that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times while you're watching this video, and then you will have no dramas doing it again, okay? Great stuff. Be lucky.